Take a breath, belly breath. Listen to your heartbeat. And just know that as your heart is pumping nutritions to fill your whole body, nutrients, your spiritual heart, your energetic heart is, or Christ heart, Christ in our hearts, is pumping love, forgiveness, and healing into your whole body, filling your whole body. Feel every heartbeat pumping love and healing into your body. Love, healing, forgiveness, and a good life into your full body. Good. And just from your heart, give the command that any suppressed emotions, you want to wash it and transform it into healing, love, and vitality. Breathe into your belly and exhale. Remind your nervous system that you're doing okay. You're gonna be okay. Remind your brain that you're doing okay and you're gonna be okay. The brain tries to protect, tries to interrupt. Tell your brain, it's cool, buddy, we're fine. And feel the love from your heart, that Christ love, shine outside of your body, like 2 inches out of your skin, in front of you, as you're listening to your heartbeat. Relax your heart like you've never relaxed it before. Rest in His name. And allow that love to shine and fill the whole room that you're in. And from your heart, from your soul, give the command that anything not attached to love, anything not attached to God, to be transformed into forgiveness, love, and a good life. Any darkness to be expelled and transformed into light, life, and truth. And then before we move into the next part, I'll ask you, how did that feel?